Hello and welcome to another MCO update on gold. The market has broken yesterday slightly below the previous swing low here and has so far followed through with these short-term bearish expectations on gold. Quick reminder that the thesis was and is that the third wave topped there. So I am watching for lower prices. Of course, nothing is going down in a straight line, okay? So obviously nothing is dropping in a straight line. There are ups and downs and there are corrective rallies along the way. That's normal. There are two wave counts I'm tracking, two pathways that I'm tracking here. And I would like to make one small adjustment about the levels. Yeah. So let me explain first of all the pathway. The first one is the yellow count, A wave down. This was the B wave. And now we're moving down in a C wave, wave 1, wave 2, 3, maybe this is the 4 already, 5. That's possible. I don't like that wave count so much. Actually, I think it would probably be best to put the B wave here because there are two ways how this triangle could be interpreted. The first one is A, B, C, D, E, that's yellow. And the second one would be that this is the DE. Okay, both possible. They have a slight, there's a slight impact on these downside targets. I would rather like to use the upper one for calculating. It doesn't change much, just shifted it slightly by a few dollars. Yeah, and either way, for now, I am tracking pathway lower. It doesn't look complete yet, I have to say. And in the yellow scenario, we have a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. I mean, this could already be the third. This could be the fourth. And then we could get one more low in wave 5. I mean, maybe this is going to be an extended fifth. We'll have to see. In this scenario, I mean, the price could now be in a wave 4 bounce. And that would be a corrective rally. And certainly shouldn't break above the last high. So not above 3,330, ideally not even above resistance, okay? So I would also in this scenario have resistance at 3,304 because it's just simple, because that resistance area also covers the white count. So what's the white count? Let me actually delete the triangle there, keep it simple here. The white count is maybe a little bit more directly bearish. In this scenario, we could go down a little more directly, a little lower actually. And in the white count here, then we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be, let's say, I don't want to say a more direct path, but a more bearish path. A little bit more bearish, not too much more. We would also probably reach this lower support area, yes. Whereas I think in the yellow count, we might miss it. I'm not sure if we will get there. It depends a little bit on how high the rally goes. If we now, and it seems like it might have started a bounce, if it goes high into this resistance area, it's more likely the white count. If it's rather weak, this corrective rally, it might be the yellow count. And if it's the white count, it goes a bit higher, then the next dip should be quite dramatic. I mean, quite direct. But either way, I think the $3,113 level is still a reasonable target to the downside, the 100% extension. However, depends really on the structure now of the rally. If it's really weak, one more low might complete it before we start wave B. But even then, for now, I would just expect the next larger rally to be a B wave before we then go down in the final C wave to complete this larger degree wave 4 correction. Once we have the B wave completed, I can calculate a target for the C wave to the downside. So this is at the moment how I track the gold chart. In both counts, I would just keep it simple. In both counts, the market should hold below 3,304. Any break above might indicate that the structure is shifting. And we would need to, let's say, reinterpret the chart, at least the microstructure. It might not mean that we have to change anything regarding the context. It might just simply be a small adjustment of the micro of the nanostructure. But that's why we are tracking resistance so that we have some clear parameters. We can also say it like that, below 3,304, the 78.6 retracement level there, the pressure is downward. That's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates about the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, also gold and silver charts, check out our stocks membership. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.